marks in here. So for those of you finding it difficult to use the CSV shocker, the CSV splitter, here is a step-by-step video on how to download it as well. Use it, okay, to split heavy CSV file, heavy Excel files. Okay, so here is the link. Just go to worldsocio.com. This is the link, or you can use this keyword to do a search. Okay, so you're good to go. So once you're on this page, scroll down. This is where to download it. So just click here and you're good to go. You need to download the application to your computer system. Okay, so once you have downloaded the application to your computer system, click go to download. Once you have downloaded it, the next one is for you to do what? To go to the directory, the folder in which you downloaded the application to. Okay, so when you get there are two files you will find. Are you seeing it? There are two files you will find. So under those files, all you need to is to click on this particular one. First, you need to extract it. Okay, you need to extract it to unzip the folder. Once you have unzipped it, then these are the two files you will see. This is the main application. Just double click it or right click and run the application. When it pop up, this is what you will get. First, you need to select the file. Okay, select the file you want to split. Okay, most times they are heavy file, they are large CSV file. Once you selected it, the file must be open. Okay, so you can define line. It can be 10, it can be 1000, it can be 2005, etc. Okay, so define it, then click on split. So you click on what? Split. Then you have to give the application time. Just allow it to process. First of all, it will count the file. After counting it, then it will split it. This might take some little time, so you have to be patient. Okay, so once that is done, you need to go to the folder you are splitting. Okay, the folder in which the file you are splitting is. So go to that folder. You will see a split document. For example, this is one of it. I have just splitted this South Africa. I split this folder, and this is the end result. Are you seeing it? So you will have multiple files, just multiple split files, just from this folder. Guess what? This folder is about 5 million plus line. They have 5 million plus users records lines. Okay, times more. So we are talking about up to 50 something million cells. Okay, but it has 5 million point something lines. That is heavy. It's too heavy. Okay, some computer you can't open it except you split it. Okay, now this is the end result. You can rename this folder. When you go inside, you will see a lot of files. Like here, out of that single file, we now have 2000 something items. Okay, you can now access your CSV file. It will be light, it will be easier, etc. Okay, so this is coming to you courtesy of worldsocio, owners of Nalanen and NLSoft. Okay, so I also invite, if you have not joined this platform, kindly join. It's 100% free. Okay, so here's the link once more. Thanks and bye for now.